Hey, Mr. Mercer, for my Term 2 project, I'm going to show you how to properly change a tire. Now, as you can see from this one here, this one's dead. It's not good anymore. So the first tip you got to do in changing a tire will be to take out the valve, which holds the air in. Give it a couple turns, and the valve is out. Now, normally, in a tire with air in, you would be hearing a lot of air coming out of it now. But this one's already out of air. It's already dead. There's a hole somewhere in it. So the next step you have to do is loosen the tire up on this thing here. This makes it easier to get it out. You do it once. Twice. Turn it around. Three. And 4. Now, as you can probably see, the rim is really loose inside the tire. All I got to do now is get it off. So next, drop it in place. So you let the clip on. Use what I call the handle, and gently bring it above the clip and give it a quick turn. Now this makes the first half of the tire come off. The rest of it will be easy. All you have to do is give it a quick push up on this side, which makes it a lot easier. All you have to do now is do basically the same thing. Drop this back down there, and gently give it a quick upward motion, and spin it around. The dead tire is off. Now, after you get the dead tire off, it's time to put a new one on. So to make it easier to go back on the rim, you give it a quick grease around the interior and exterior of the tire on both sides. You never have too much grease, so the more the better. Alright, now to get the new tire back on, you just basically do the inverse of what you did the first time. You lock this thing back on, but instead of using the hand down there like I used the first time, all you have to do is spin it around. The first half is on, and now it makes it a lot easier for the second half to go back on. Alright. So the new tire is on the rim. We're almost done. All you have to do now is for the tire up in air. You gently lift up on the tire and fill it up with air. Now you don't have to put a lot of air into it, just a couple pounds. Once you get the valve back into it, you can put as much air into it as you want. Give it a couple turns, and the valve is in. Now, a normal tire has around 32 pounds of pressure. Well, I'm gonna be safe and put say 35 in it. Alright, now that the tire is full of air, it's almost complete. In addition from what I just did, the tire would have balance. But after that, the the job will be complete. Mr. Mercer, I hope you like my project.